Hi.
Hello there, YouTube. Tiddlywinksist and Tiddlywinksist Jr. here. Just wanting to report some good news. Illinois has legalized concealed carry, and all I can say to that is Don Trott and President Obama, take that. The NRA has pushed and pushed and made it legal. That's right, Chance. Point. Ha ha, Obama.
Point.
Come at us. Come at us. We got concealed carry in Illinois. Although I don't live there, I feel a lot better for the people that live there. They can finally walk around and protect themselves. Thank God. Now, hopefully they'll pass a law where the state has the final say in it and the cities don't. Otherwise, Chicago will probably never ever have it. But, you know, that's one step in the right direction. You know, thumbs up to y'all, Illinois. And yes, bye. Bye. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Check out the Facebook down below. Again, just a quick update. Illinois has concealed carry.